Hey, how are you? My name is Marlon. I'm the product manager for the surveillance category at ADI. And today we're going to talk about a little bit on the new Floodlight camera that recently introduced to the market. So the one you're looking at currently is the 720 7 megapixel dual lens Floodlight camera. They're actually using a PoE Ethernet cable, and it uses a PoE++ 60 watt injector or any PoE switch that uses 60 watt have 60 watt output. So you can see the Floodlight camera has very traditional Floodlight kind of features that give you the light to turn on based on AI events. So if you look at the camera itself, there's two lenses on each side. So it can give you a 230 degrees FOV. So it's a very wide, ultra wide lens. So it can give you the coverage that you will need by a single camera. So it also comes in black color. This is currently our white model. We also have a single lens model, which is the 420 that utilizes the Wi-Fi. Using any type of Wi-Fi 2.4 or 5G network. All right. So for more information, please visit our website on ADI.